Let's talk about local redundant storage, also called as LRS. LRS is a low cost option for protecting your data from local hardware failures. If a data center level disaster occurs, for example, think about fire or flooding, and then you may be losing all the data. All the replicas may be lost or unrecoverable if you have chosen LRS. So LRS is most appropriate in the scenarios if your application stores data that can be easily reconstructed. If the data loss occurs, then you may opt for LRS. Some applications are restricted to replicating data only within a country due to data governance requirements. In that case, you may want to pick and choose LRS. LRS provides at least 9 and 11 nines durability of objects over a given year. LRS provides the object durability by replicating your data to another storage scale unit within that data center. A data center located in the region where you created your storage account will host that storage scale unit. A write request to an LRS storage account returns successfully only after the data is replicated to all the replicas. This is where you maintain 3 copies of your data. Each replica resides in a separate fault domain and upgrade domain within that storage scale unit. Think about a storage scale unit as a collection of racks of storage nodes. A fault domain is a group of nodes that represent a physical unit of failure. Think about fault domain as nodes belonging to the same physical rack. An upgrade domain is a group of nodes that are upgraded together during the process of a service upgrade or a rollout. The replicas will be spread across different upgrade domains and different fault domains within one storage scale unit. This architecture ensures your data is available if a hardware failure affects a single rack or when nodes are upgraded during a service upgrade. Like I told earlier, LRS is the lowest cost option and this will offer least durability compared to other options we have here. This is where you are maintaining 3 copies of your data, and the strategy here is that your data is replicated 3 times within a single facility in a single region. With all this set of features, do you think that LRS is a good choice for your organization? Just keep in mind that the data will continue to reside in the same data center. 3 copies will be maintained in the same data center. So if your application has the ability to reconstruct the data if the data loss ever happens, then you'll go for LRS. And also keep in mind about the data governance requirements. If you want to make sure that the data does not go out of your data center at all times and still have some form of redundancy within the data center, then again, LRS is the option. But then think about a scenario where you have a data center level disaster, probably a fire or a flooding happening. In that case, LRS will not be helpful at all because you then got to choose the other options like zone redundant storage and geo redundant storage. Let's go talk about them in the next lesson.